Hello guys, my name is Ronald, RoOnTheGo. I'm retired and now I'm traveling through Thailand. After the borders are open, I go to China, Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, Philippines. You can see a lot of amazing temples, beautiful nature and nice people. So now I go with the motorbike. Where are we now? Where? Tuka! So this is a famous pork restaurant. Hello guys, I'm in Bangkok Chinatown and this is famous pork restaurant. Look at the pork. Hello. Hello, how are you? Good, eh? The pork, eh? Pork. Good, eh? Pig. Pig, eh?
Yeah.
Small pig, eh?
Small pig. Our pork is very good.
Garlic, eh? Garlic.
I like messy.
Yeah, messy, good, eh?
Ronaldo,
Yeah, good, eh? Good?
Yeah, good.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Good. This one? Where? Where? Oh, good. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, this is typical local Thai market in the center of Bangkok. And now I go with the motorbike.